Hello my friend, this is Grace from Healthcare Company. Now I would like to introduce our 280A soft shell hyperbaric chamber. As you can see, there will be three parts when you receive our 280A hyperbaric chamber. This is the 280A soft shell hyperbaric chamber. This is our 10-liter oxygen concentrator, and this is the air cooler. It is optional function. And now I would like to introduce one by one. This is the spare parts when you receive them. User manual, we will provide three size automatic pressure release valve. Usually we will provide 1.5 ATA, 1.7 ATA, and 2 ATA. You can also choose different pressure release valve based on your requirement. And this is the internal pressure gauge and the external pressure gauge. This is the face mask. You can inhale high oxygen purity when you are lying in the chamber. This is the silencer. It can reduce the noise when you are lying in the chamber, so you can feel more comfortable. This is the remote control. You can control the oxygen concentrator when you are lying in the chamber. That means you can operate the chamber by yourself. This is the anti-roll booster. It can make the chamber stable when you are lying in the chamber. Now I would like to introduce how to install the spare parts on the chamber. This is the spare part. You can change the spare parts instead of the emergency pressure release valve. This function of the pressure release valve is when the manual pressure release valve and the automatic pressure release valve have problem. So you can change this. You can release the pressure when you are lying in the chamber in 1 minute. And also, this is the external pressure gauge. You can screw here. And this is the internal pressure gauge. You can screw tight inside the chamber in this position. Now I would like to introduce our oxygen concentrator. Our oxygen concentrator adapts 2-in-1 technology. That means the compressor is already in the oxygen concentrator, so you don't need to buy compressor separate. The advantage of this machine is it will more convenient and reduce the noise, so customer lying in the chamber will feel more comfortable. And also, you can check, we have the remote control for the oxygen concentrator. So you can press this button, on button, then the machine can working automatically. This is the screen touch on the concentrator. First button is the on and off button. You can use our remote control to start the machine, or you can press this button to start the machine. And also, second button is the timing button. That means you can press this button to reset time to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It can calculate the time to 400 minutes. Or you can tell us your requirement. We can do the software based on your session. And this is the timing reduce button. This is the voice button. It will have the voice when you start on the machine. And also you can use the remote control by timing plus button and also timing reduce button by the remote control. And this machine is the 10-liter oxygen concentrator. It will provide the oxygen from 0 to 10 liter. You can adjust based on your requirement. And also they have the two outlets on the oxygen concentrator. One outlet is the air outlet and another light is the oxygen outlet. And firstly, you can connect the air outlet on the concentrator. It will connect the in light on the cooler machine and also the out light on the cooler. It will provide the cooler to the chamber air outlet. And also the oxygen outlet on the concentrator will connect the oxygen outlet on the chamber. And you must make sure the manual pressure release valve screw tight before you enter the chamber. And also the emergency pressure release valve screw tight. External pressure gauge screw tight. And also for the belt and the buckle must connected before you enter the chamber. The two-layer zipper zip up before you start the hyperbaric chamber therapy. And we also have some suggestions before you enter the chamber. Children can only use it under the supervision of their parents. Do not open the zipper when there is pressure in the cabin. Get rid of the fear and also get rid of the sharp object. And after we install all the spare parts and connect all the tube, we can start the hyperbaric chamber therapy. And also, when you want to get out, you must make sure you release the pressure before you get out. And you can check the pressure gauge, it is at 0. And thank you very much for choosing our Oxy Air hyperbaric chamber. If you have any questions, you can contact our sales.